Hey guys, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you want to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 26 beta, but can't find the iOS 26 developer beta update, don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, make sure your iPhone is compatible. iOS 26 beta is expected to be compatible with iPhone 11 and newer models. Models like iPhone XR and older may not support iOS 26 beta. Second, you need to open the Apple developer website. Scroll down. You can see Apple's latest iOS system. Then you need to click the upper left corner and click Account to log in your Apple ID. After the first successful login, you will see a message like this. Accept the agreement. Your device will gain access to register for iOS beta. You can see the iOS 26 developer beta version in the iPhone software update and continue to update it. If iOS 26 beta is still not displayed, you can try using ReiBoot. Once Apple pushes the beta version, ReiBoot will synchronize it, and you can upgrade to iOS 26 beta without waiting or complicated settings. Just connect your iPhone to your computer, then open ReiBoot. On the main interface, click iOS Upgrade or Downgrade. Click Upgrade on the left and follow the prompts to download the firmware to upgrade your iPhone to the latest system. In addition, if you are not satisfied with the latest system, you can also use it to downgrade the iOS system. Download it through the link below the video and try it out. That's it. Follow these tips and you'll be running iOS 26 beta as soon as Apple officially releases the beta. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iOS news and tips.